Let's get them return bins back on there. Little chisel right there. Let's put this wedge back in there to hold it still. Add a couple more return bins. There we go. Switch sides. All right. All the way to the top. Shouldn't leak now. Put this little V cover on. Just throw a few screws in there. Bam, bam, bam. All right. Now we get that bottom cleaned off. All right, tube sheet. We're going to slap that tube sheet back on there with this hammer drill. A little tough spot right there, but take this second. Lock it on in there. Bend that metal on around. There we go. Stuck. Let's pull that chisel right through that tube sheet. There we go. Bend it on around, bend it on around, nice and straight. There you go. There you go. Get that rust back in there too. All right. There we go. Switch this side. Do the same thing. Bloop. All right. There you go. Start it in there. Connect it up good. Bend it back around. Bend it back around. There you go. Now let's get these big old channel locks here. And my hammer drill. All right. One more time. This is a little tougher on that side. I guess it's thicker gauge tube sheet. Stick that hammer drill in behind there to keep it all straight, nice and neat. There you go. Work it out of there. Beat it on around. Should have been a body man. One more time. A little more. Last little bit. There you go. Now, this one in here. Right there. Nice and neat. Got a couple of them in there. Keep that straight. One more. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. Put that wedge back in there. There we go. There it is. Almost all the way. Come on. There you go. Almost got a brand new coil. Thank y'all for watching.